Hello and welcome. One of the first things that we're going to talk about for each of the seasons is what the top essential oils are. And I just want to point out to you right now that this course is a very basic, brief introduction to essential oils. It does not go into a lot of depth.
When we cover the seasons, spring, summer, fall, and winter, we're going to talk about, first of all, a screen that you'll see that has the top essential oils for that season, and then it will break down into each of them individually. And what you're going to see on the individual screens are different keywords that apply to that essential oil. The essential oils that you'll see for spring will tend to refer to invigorating, refreshing, renewing types of oils, and they are the ones that are listed here. When you get to the section on winter essential oils, you'll notice that they're going to have higher antiviral properties to them, and they'll be much more suitable for some of the self-care projects that we're going to talk about in the winter season. I hope this helps you understand how the essential oils for the seasons are broken down. What I'm giving you here in this course are the keynotes for them, and it's very broad overview and very simple. It's just to get you started.
This course is designed for the very beginner in mind. If you are very new to essential oils and are curious about what they can do, and you're curious about what aromatherapy is, then this would be a good place to start. It doesn't go into a lot of in-depth detail. I have other courses that do that. So if you're interested, please check some of them out. One of the very first places that I would start is the Aromatherapy Foundational Concepts course. That has a lot more to tell you about essential oils. And at the very end, I have a bonus video for you to watch, and there's some very special guests. Together, we're going to make a scrub, and that's all I'm going to say because I just want you to watch the video. So I hope you'll join me and have some fun.